Okay, so we're recording. Nope, don't put your hands there.
Whoops.
Yep, there you go. Whoa, what happened here? Your hand is covering something. Hold on a minute.
It's not covering anything. It's just dark out.
Okay, yeah, sorry about that. Okay, so looks like we're gonna have fun with this one. Alright, okay, so you're gonna back up here. Alright, these ones have already gone off. And stand like right over here.
But what about that one?
I see this one. I'm just trying to see the other pattern. Alright, okay. Alright, I got you on this one, okay?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Where's the spark plug?
Over there.
Where? Alright, okay, I may not get the spark plug, but I'm gonna get these ones, okay?
But it's
Where's the spark?
right there. Right where it's shining.
Alright, okay, I'm gonna pick this one up.
Well then, how are you going to put it in the middle? Oh, are you going to hold it in the middle?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Sliding a sprinkler. Goes up to that one. Runs to that one. Lights that one. Going off, going off. Oh! Oh, look at that! Looky, looky. Come on, come on. Let's get over here too. Now go in the middle. That's the one left.
Ooh, that came out really good. Good thinking.